Hello, my name is Maximiliano Salazar Alvarez and I am working an international sales executive at Credi Arsani, a leading furniture enterprise. With a background in business and administration from Tech Milenio University and certifications in external negotiation, I have dedicated the past 5 years to expanding our business globally. Working with Credi Arsani means collaborating with a team that values innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. It is my mission to help our clients navigate the complexities of international trade and achieve their business goals. Let's dive into the current Mexican business environment. Mexico operates as a federal presidential representative demographic republic. While the political environment is generally stable, challenges such as corruption and inefficiency can impact business operations. Transparency initiatives are in place, but business must remain vigilant. Mexico has a mixed market economy with a strong manufacturing base. The furniture industry benefits from competitive labor costs and strategic location, facilitating exports under the USMCA agreement. Economic policies support manufacturing through various incentives, making it an attractive destination for furniture production and export. Mexico's legal system is based on civil law. Regulations affecting the furniture industry include safety standards, environmental regulations, and labor laws. Compliance with these regulations is essential for operating in the Mexican market. Mexico is a top foreign of recipient of for foreign direct investments, attracting investments due to its strategic location and trade agreements. FDI in the furniture industry can involve establishing manufacturing facilities, distribution centers, or retail operations. Fiscal incentives are available for foreign investors. The Mexican peso has shown resilience, trading around 20.2 per USD. Despite occasional volatility, the peso benefits from high interest rates and strong external accounts. This stability provides predictable exchange rates for exports. Mexican work culture emphasizes personal relationships, hierarchy, and respect for authority. Building strong interpersonal connections is crucial for business success. The workplace is characterized by a blend of formal structures and social interactions. Mexico's environmental regulations are stringent, aiming to prevent pollution and promote sustainable development. Compliance with these regulations is essential for operating in Mexico. Mexican labor laws protect workers' rights, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions. The minimum wage for 2025 is 419.88 Mexican peso for the free zone of the northern border and 278.80 cents Mexican peso for the rest of the country. Labor unions play a significant role in advocating for worker rights. The USMCA agreement governs trade between the US, Mexico, and Canada. It includes provisions for tariff reductions, subsidies, important quotas, and anti-dumping duties. This agreement facilitates smoother trade and investment flows. Now, let's explore the business environment. The United States operates as a federal republic with a presidential system. The political environment is characterized by a high degree of transparency and accountability, supported by robust institutions such as the judiciary and regulatory bodies. However, occasionally local level corruption can impact business operations. The US has a mixed market economy, combining elements of capitalism and government intervention. The furniture industry in the US is significant, driven by consumer demand and housing market trends. For Mexican SMEs, the UMSCA agreement facilitates trade by reducing tariffs and simplifying customs production. The legal system in the US is based in common law. Regulations affecting the furniture industry include safety standards, environmental regulations, and labor laws. Mexican companies must comply with these regulations to operate in the US market. The Consumer Product Safety Commission CPSC oversees product safety standards, while the Environmental Protection Agency EPA enforces environmental regulations. In terms of foreign direct investments, the US is a top destination for FDI, attracting investments due to its stable economy, large consumer market, and favorable business environment. FDI in the furniture industry can involve establishing manufacturing facilities, distribution centers, or retail operations. Mexican SMEs can benefit from FDI by forming partnerships or joint ventures with US companies. The dollar is a strong and stable currency, widely used in international trade as of March 2000, 2015. The dollar remains robust against major currencies, supported by high interest rates and strong economic performance. This stability benefits Mexican exporters by providing predictable exchange rates and reducing currency risk. The US culture emphasizes individualism, innovation, and efficiency. In the workplace, there is a focus on meritocracy, diversity, and inclusivity. Understanding these cultural aspects is crucial for Mexican SMEs to effectively engage with US partners and customers. The US has stringent environmental regulations that business must comply with. The EPA enforces laws related to air and water quality, waste management, and chemical safety. Mexican SMEs must ensure their products meet these standards to avoid penalties and ensure market access. Employment practices in the US are governed by federal and state laws. The federal minimum wage is $7.25 per hour, but many states have higher minimum wages. Labor unions play a significant role in advocating for workers' rights and negotiating collective bargaining agreements. HR intelligence involves using data and analytics to improve workforce management and productivity. The UMSCA agreement governs trade between the US, Mexico, and Canada, like we said before. It includes provision for tariff reduction, subsidies, import quotas, and anti-dumping duties. This agreement facilitates smoother trade and investment flows between the countries, benefiting Mexican SMEs by providing easier access to the US market. To capitalize on current market conditions and fiscal incentives, we recommend starting the expansion effort immediately. Initial costs will include market research, regulatory compliance, and establishing distribution channels. Enter the national market directly to maximize reach and impact, with regional markets targeted subsequently based on performance and demand. The joint ventures are the best fit, allowing for shared risk and local expertise. Consider a strategic alliance with local manufacturers and distributors. Explore acquisitions for local furniture manufacturers to enhance production capabilities and market presence. Form alliances with logistics companies to stimulate distribution. Crime and security issues can impact business decisions. Implement robust security measures and collaborate with local authorities to ensure safety. Expanding into the Mexican and US markets presents significant opportunities for growth and success. By leveraging the favorable economic decisions, strategic locations, and robust trade agreements, Credit Arsani can establish a strong presence in both regions. Careful planning, compliance with regulations, and building strong local partnerships will be key to achieving our business goals. Thank you for watching, and let's make great things happen together.